Little Kumiko. The Mosuo are a tribe who reside in the most remote region of China, near the Lugu Lake and the Tibet. There lives Kumiko.
Stupid! Shut up! Shut up! Please, girl. As you know, I am the Ami. This is a great responsibility. I am in charge of the leadership of our modest business. However, I am becoming old and wrinkly. Soon, the goddess Lixu will appoint a new Ami. It's time for you to demonstrate you've got the power and intelligence to become the new Ami.
There's no way you are becoming the new Ami, Kumiko. I mean, you are skinny, you are tiny, and you don't have the age to overcome the obstacles to obtain the Jade Stone. Jade Stone is the sacred object that symbolizes the right of being the Ami.
I might be 13, but I'm brave.
First of all, you would have to go to the Lugu Lake, surrounded by dark mountains, where Xian, the evil witch, lives.
Qian? That doesn't sound evil to me.
Listen to me carefully. For many centuries, she has been keeping herself alive and powerful thanks to the energy of the girls of Mosuo tribe. And she's waiting for a new opportunity.
Oh, Grandpa, you're the wisest man in town. I need your advice. What can I do in order to become the new Ami?
The most important thing to remember is you will only receive the Jade Stone if you are truly destined to become the new Ami. You've got nothing to worry about. Goddess Lixu will protect you on your journey to the Dark Mountain. Let Sharan go with you.
Why?
Sharan is a loyal family dog. Every Motsu tribe has one. He will protect you too on your journey to the Dark Mountain.
You promise?
Yes, I promise. Animals and plants have souls, just like humans.
The next day, Kumiko and Shaoran left at dawn. There was still a long journey ahead until arriving to the Lugu Lake. They followed paths, went around rivers and across forests until reaching the lake's shore.
I'm so worried about my poor little Kumiko. Where will she be?
This far, little Musu girl. I have come to obtain the Jade Stone. Fight with you if necessary. No one has ever survived. Sharon, go hide behind that tree. No one has ever defeated me, and I keep myself alive and young because of the Musu energy. I am Goddess Lixu, and I send you this stick, Kumiko, so that you can defeat the evil witch.
Attack, Sharon!
Sharon? You killed the evil witch? The Jade Stone!
And there, gleaming and splendid, was the Jade Stone. Kumiko took it and they began their return journey home. The villagers welcomed them with a huge excitement. Little Kumiko has killed the witch and has obtained the Jade Stone.
Sweetheart, I'm so
proud of you. You proved worthy of becoming the new Ami of our tribe.
Thank you, Mother. This means so much to me.
Congratulations, little sister. I knew you could do it, even though I wasn't supportive at the beginning.
Sure, I appreciate your work, sister, but I would never have done it without the help of Sharon and the advice of our very dear grandfather.
Anything is possible with a little bit of courage and help from your loving family.
Tabla, let's celebrate.